Bro, that wheelie shit.
Come on.
Somebody tell me.
Get on there.
No, Meek wants you to get on with him.
Hold on, right here with one hand.
What?
Hold under with your left hand. Yeah, right there. Don't hold this though.
What?
Hold, yeah,
Like this?
hold under so you let.
Driver.
Look, when we coming down,
Can you follow this?
when you coming down, it's gonna make you flip over if you go like this.
Right.
Lean back. It's like pull back.
Okay.
As soon as the bike starts coming.
Okay. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, no, stop. Holy shit. Oh, stop.
Yeah, you good?
Stop. Yo, Meek, stop.
My son just busted his ass.
Meek, stop. Meek. Oh,
See?
yeah, I see it.
Lean back when you falling down. You good?
Yeah.
You good?
Ooh, that shit feel like you're falling.
Turn around. Just sit backwards. Sit back. Sit back.
Okay.